My name's Brent Van Bergen and I'm the piling engineer down here at O Mahurangi Penlink, where we are currently constructing the foundations for the Wēiti River Bridge. It's 535 metres long and the central span is 175 metres. The new deck level will be about 40 metres above the waterline, which is about the same height as the Auckland Harbour Bridge. There are 12 main supporting piles. They range from 1800 up to 3 metres in diameter and are 47 metres deep. The piles themselves are among some of the largest marine piles ever to be constructed here in New Zealand, which requires 360 cubic metres of concrete and about 70 tonnes of reinforcing steel. There are 4 3-metre piles located out in the Wēiti River. So those piles need to be constructed in a marine environment, so it involves constructing staging to get out there, and then what we do is we drive sheet piles to form a cofferdam to effectively enable us to de-water the area around the piles, but also to be able to excavate all that soft marine sediment near the surface. We excavate all that material in there and we cast a concrete floor in there, and that concrete floor will act as a gate for installing our piles. We then install a couple of oversized casings to get us through that final little bit of soft material, and then the process is if we open drill, so it's an open excavation down to the toe of the casing, and then we use 2 cranes to pitch a single casing of full length, and then that gets lowered into the toe of the pile. I'm currently standing in one of 3 cage segments that form a single pile cage. Due to the length of the piles, it's not possible to deliver one cage and install that vertically down the piles, so they come in these 3 segments. This cage gets joined together with 2 other cages and gets lowered into the excavation and casing that we've previously installed. The diameter of these piles is extremely tricky to deal with. Drilling an extremely large hole, wanting that to stay stable so we can install a cage and pour concrete. Each pile requires approximately 65 standard concrete trucks to provide enough concrete to fill the pile. The pour itself took just over 5 hours to complete.